Today I am here to talk about top 3 KSP of our flagship model Mate X3. So let's see what we have in this phone.
Feature: slim, lightweight, quite foldable design. Advantage: Mate X3 is one of the lightest foldable smartphone in the world. Benefit is that you can take Mate X3 with you if you want to go out as it's very long, light and slim. Example is that while watching anything on Meet X3, you will not find any craze over this screen even if you put your finger over it. Second KSP feature: durable Kundan glass. Huawei Mate X3 has is the first ever 5-star glass drop resistant certification from Switzerland SGS, where as none of the brand in the market have the certification. Benefit: durable Kundan glass, it is going to protect your phone and keep the screen out of harm ways. Example: it's hard to be live but accident to happen and sometimes happen to our smartphone, but no worries, Huawei Mate X3 have durable Kundan glass to protect your screen if you accidental drop it. Third KSP features Ultra Vision X image camera. Advantage: Mate X3 foldable smartphone captures speed 25% faster compared to other brand in the market. Benefit: the Ultra Vision X image system and X Diffusion Pro True Chroma image work in tandem to capture intricate details since chock full of color and texture. Example: if you are going outside, you want to take picture from far away, then don't worry about it. Mate X3 comes with periscope telephoto lens, support maximum of 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom, and capture details that naked eyes would miss of sense from far away. And thanks for watching my video.